Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join group or groups here in Roblox Mobile. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Roblox app, okay? Once done, go ahead and find the game where you wanted to join the group. Okay, for example, we have here maybe My Cup, okay? Just tap on it. Now this page will load, just wait for it. Now once it loads, you just go to scroll down and find the developer section, okay? And here just tap on the button, okay? Tap on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you'll have the button here, join community, okay? Just tap on it. And once done, you can now go ahead and tap on view community. Now, if you got an error where you can't find join community button, that means that you have joined multiple communities, okay, or groups. Well, all you have to do is just find the group where you wanted to leave. All right, just leave, and once done, go back to the recent game that you wanted to join the community, and the join button will be available again. All right, and there you have it. That's how you join groups in Roblox Mobile. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.